like spend hours researching about a company, reading the financial reports, and then eventually investing in it? And then 1 week later, it drops like 10% and you start to get uneasy. 2 weeks later, it drops like 20% and then you start to doubt your analysis. And then 6 months later, you are still in a drawdown of 30%. And you wonder, what the hell am I doing? Like spending all the time researching and everything. Should have just like put the money in the bank or just like buy the S&P 500 index. Then at least you will only draw down like 10% of it compared to the 30% that you are experiencing on the stock that you buy. So the key is that you have to think like a casino, not the one gambling, but the casino owner making the money out of you. So for some of the games, they are going to lose, but in the long run, they are going to make the money because the games are rigged in their favor, probability-wise. So although you are not trading the financial market, getting in and out of the short term, the same probabilistic mindset still applies when it comes to investing. Some of your investments are going to do well, some are not going to do so well, and some are going to have permanent losses. You can't focus too much on one particular company of all your stock and feel bad about wasting time on it because the magic comes from the overall portfolio performance. So of course, along the way you get better at it. Imagine the casino owners stress losing over $500, for this round of game. It will be nuts, right? They wouldn't do that because they know their rewards come in playing it over the long run, over hundreds and thousands of games. So take it from Warren Buffett. So in one of his annual report, his letter to shareholders, he wrote that his success over 58 years was mainly the result of a dozen truly good decisions that would be one every 5 years. Sit with that for a second. The world's greatest investors making only about 10 to 15 good decisions over many decades of investing. So next time when you are sitting uncomfortably over the unrealized or realized losses, remember this: you are still going to make mistakes and learn from it. You will have some wins and some losses, but know that the prize is in playing the long game. The collective decisions of all your investments, not just a single one of it.